Okay, we're going to put the boat in the water. We're going to start it and let it idle to normal temperature like we normally do. I had the freeze plugs out because we had some cold weather here. And we're going to idle it back down into the lake, and then we'll show you some of the gauges while it's idling, and then we'll run up and down the lake. Gauge comes in the display here. Time, lake. Ooh, wow, it's cold. There's 40 hours, 58. There's the gauges. The digital tack works.
Yeah, it's not focusing in on that.
It's okay.
I can get it better. Okay, there it goes. Yeah, see the 740 right there?
Yeah.
That's the digital tack right there, but the needle doesn't work.
These gauges work.
That little hose right there? Oh. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, there it goes.
Okay. Cigarette lighter. Yeah, cigarette lighter. Back seat. Well, we're going to focus in on this one. Although it's not even a scratch, it's just a little bitty tiny. Cooler, paddle, anyway. Let's pop the hood open while we're ready to take off. Now try to sit here next to me and just try to get the gauges where you can see the tack. I'll get him to run it down the slalom course.
You want to do the perfect pass?
Yeah, that'd be good. We'll show them it works.
I don't know what we have it set to though.
Let's see. Okay, we're showing you perfect pass.
Let me get a better angle here.
Controller's on. Set at 34.2. Sit down. Scoot down. Gonna run down the lake, run the slalom course. Perfect pass is on. It'll beep. And I'm gonna let go of the throttle. Perfect pass is set. 3,460 RPMs.
Anything else you want to show?
Shut it off for now.